What's up guys, drone worship in your face. Ever thought about getting into FPV? Not something this size quite yet, but if you've thought about it and you got some beginner skills that you'd like to put to the test, my buddy TCM Drones is actually selling 6 different versions of the Tiny Hawk, all for $50. 2 of them have never even used. Some of them have camera upgrades. Most of them haven't seen more than 2 to 6 flights. He's selling them all for $50 a piece. And if you want to, they're all bind and fly. They are all fly sky, I believe. So for those of you with a multi-protocol transmitter, if you just want to buy one to hook to your multi-protocol unit, you're good to go. Or you can just get the X-Lite transmitter for an extra $90 from him. He is willing to, like I said, sell them for cheap, but you will pay shipping. Whatever that comes out to be, that's up to you. All of his information will be in the description below. He has the Tiny Hawk, Tiny Hawk 2, Tiny Hawk Freestyle, Tiny Hawk Racer, Tiny Hawk, all of them. I mean, he's got them all. And they're all $50 a piece. 2 of them are brand new, and 3 of them have camera upgrades. I mean, that's a hell of a deal. that's honestly a hell of a deal. So shout outs to TCM Drone. Tim, for those guys who know him, some calling me Tim. But Tim is a really good guy. I've known him for a long time, and he's got some stuff coming up, so he kind of needs to get rid of these. Tim has a lot of medical conditions like I do, but he thought he would offer everybody a pretty good deal, so you don't have to go pay $120 or $130 or heck, even $100 for one of these. He's cutting the price on these down to a very reasonable amount for anybody who wanted a bind and fly version of it under Fly Sky for the multi-protocol users, or if you're ordering a transmitter to use with one, he has a really good deal. So $50 plus shipping on your end, and he'll send whatever you want. If you guys have further questions about which one you want to buy or which one's upgraded, go ahead and contact him. Like I said, I will put his number in the description below. Once he sells them all, or he tells me to remove this, I will. After that, we're done. But he does say he has more drones to sell, so I will continue communicating with Tim after we get rid of these 3 or these 6. And we'll go from there. So if you've been thinking about getting into FPV, here's an opportunity to get 6 very decent. I love Tiny Hawk. I love Emax, by the way. I started on Emax. I love Emax. They all have great products. They are fantastic. Everything I've ever flown from Emax has been fantastic. So I encourage this sale. That is one of the reasons why I told him I would do it. I love the Tiny Hawk series. All 6 of them are fantastic. They're amazing. Each one offers you something a little different. So description below if you guys are curious or you just want to call and see what he's got. $50 a piece plus shipping. What's it going to cost? Like $3 to ship a drone that's 2 inches and a little tiny box to you? Yeah, that's right. Cheap. Think about it, guys. Tim's his name, TCM Drones, and his cell phone number is in the description of this video. Drone worship, and I'm out. Maheshka Targete.